Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much for clicking onto this video. My name is Joyce McTier and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I am coming to you ladies and gentlemen today to just showcase a ring and a abstract bracelet that I made for an upcoming event that's going to be taking place next month sometime. These pieces will not be in my shop. This is going to be a part of, I'm not going to say a collection, but it's going to be a part of pretty much what I'm going to be taking and showcasing at my event. A lot of times when I make stuff for events, I don't put them in my shop. I will have stuff that I showcase that you all can see that will be for sale, but these pieces will not be for sale. They are going to go with me to my event. So I just wanted to pop in to showcase and show you all what I have been making and what I have been creating. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified. I want to thank y'all so very much for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.